Cool, day 20 of my 30-day rollerblading video editing journey. Today I'm gonna spend like a little bits of time throughout the day on getting further with this project. I feel it's not moving fast enough. Let's see how it goes. Cool, just got back from Open Window. A good friend of mine, Jaco van der Merwe, invited me to come watch some of the films some of the students have made and just get inspired and motivated in terms of editing, filmmaking and creative stuff. Today I made super good progress. A few minutes left for tonight, so let's get into it and yeah, let's see how it goes.
Cool, so that's the outro part. Still have a little bit left to do, but I think I have enough
footage and photos and yeah, it's coming together. We're getting there. So that's it for today. I'll check you tomorrow for day 21. Only 9 days left. I'm a bit worried that I'm not going to finish in time. I'm going to have to cut out like a few hours and wrap this up. But we're moving along and it's fun. And it inspires me to create more stuff. Yeah, but I'll check you tomorrow.